Everyone, this is Navjot Malli. I hope everyone is doing great. So today I'm going to show you have access to your training. So you have a full access for your training and you know what you are doing. But I am going to show you out of the training. There's another like a website where you can do affiliation as well. Like there's a this is the largest platform for the affiliate products where the vendor comes with their companies and they give you referral programs and you can promote their products and they give you material for the products what you have to promote with. So first of all you have to come to the clickbank.com. So this is very easy. This is going to be a long video, so make sure you have 15 to 20 minutes to listen this video. So I'm going to begin with from the bottom to the up. So I'm going to show you how to find a product and where you have to promote and what social media you need to promote the products. Okay, so let's go team. So we are all one and I want to try my best to teach you guys how you can make some extra income with your jobs and from Jonathan as well. So let's go guys. So I'm not going to take long. So first of all you have to come here and you will see a page like this. So this is clickbank.com. So you just have to come here, start here. Just 1 second, let me fix this. Okay, float on top. Yep. Okay, so you have to click here, start here. Okay, so they are asking let's customize your ClickBank experience. So I already made an account, but I'm going to show you what you have to do here. So you just have to come here. I want to promote ClickBank products and as an affiliate. Okay, so it will go down. So sounds good. So you have to press enter here. Do you have experience promoting offers and affiliate? So you have to come here at the bottom. Yes, I have promoted non ClickBank offers before. Like that's what we're doing, right? Okay, so they are asking which best describes you. Okay, I am making less than 50,000 in annual affiliation commissions at the moment. So we are not making as much more than 50,000 at the moment, so we are making less than. So I will click less than that. Okay, so next step is they are asking what is the biggest factor motivating you to explore affiliate marketing. So you can choose what you want to like. I want to earn some extra money and I also want to quit my job as well. So better is to go with the earn extra money. Okay, so that's why we are here for. Okay, so next step is, do you currently have traffic? Or yes, we have social medias platform, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. So we have already. So we have to select key A. Okay, so how did you, they are asking us, how did you hear about ClickBank? So we heard, so you heard from the internet, right? So you have to just write internet here. Okay, so simple step here, you have to fill up your email here and they will send you a confirmation email. Over there you have to set up your password and everything. That's all you have to do here. So once you submit, they will send you an email. Okay, so right now I'm going to log in into my site. So I have already set up here, so I'm going to log in. Once you log in, you will have this kind of page. Okay guys, so don't open on your phone, or you need a iPad or you need a laptop. So you can explore all the things. I'm going to take you step by step what's going to be happen here. So this is like my account. It's like Harpit's account. So okay, so you have to go to your profile and fill up all the details they are asking, which is required, like your address, your phone number, everything. You have to be loyal with this website because this is the guys largest platform. As I said, you can make tons of money from here if you are smart enough. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you, this is your like dashboard. So this is your like affiliate account. So I'm going to show you how you can make as well. So I have made two of them. One is for Gracie, like for Harpit, one is mine. So I haven't focused on this yet, but I'm deep into going now. So I want to make some really big money from here. So my whole focus is on right this one at the moment. So okay, let's go. So this is where you begin. You don't have to come here. So you have to come on the accounts. Okay, so this is where you going to make an account. Okay, so simply come here, create an account. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to promote products. So you have to click here, affiliate, promote products. So they are giving you option for your nickname. Okay, suppose your name is Rose. Okay, Rose. So you need number as well, 1 2 3 4 like this. Okay, actually it's already taken, so let's try Jasmine. Actually the first letter I should be bigger. Yeah, Jasmine, alpha numeric spaces. Okay, see, so they accepted this one, Jasmine 938. So you just have to sign up, that's it. So after that, straight away you will have your account here, guys. That's easy. Okay, so you have to come, you don't have to come here. So this count I mistakenly made by for vendor and affiliate for together. So you just have to make for affiliate to make products. Okay, once you come here, you have to select this one, affiliate, promote products. By mistake I did combination, so that's why I have like this. Okay guys, so then simply click on your account, and they will send you an email as well to confirm your account. Okay, so here will be written like you have we have send you an email, please go and confirm. Once it's confirmed, you will have your page like this. Okay, after that you have to fill up your details over here. I'm not going to show because that's my personal details over there. So you have to go to the account settings, fill up your name, fill up your address, fill up your phone number, fill up your bank details. That's where you're going to get paid. Okay, so that's easy, very easy. You don't have to go to the vendor setting. Vendor setting is for if you have a product, if you want to sell with ClickBank, that's them, that's the one for them. Okay, so for us we have just this one. Okay, that's all. So as you can see, welcome Gracie. So this is your account where you're going to get paid. You will see your earnings over here. Whatever you're promoting, you will see your earnings here, and this is the month. Okay, I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you something very exciting now. How to find products, where to promote products, and what you have to do. Okay, so this is as this is your dashboard. You just have to simply come here, affiliate marketplace. Okay, so this is the marketplace, guys. So this is the main part where we find the products, where we have to promote. So very easy, don't take stress, just make your account and come here. That's all. This is very simple steps here. Okay, so our niche is wealth. We have to attract people who want to work from home, who want to make extra income. So we have to go in the business and investing. Okay, so I was promoting crypto swaps profit mastermind. So what this is an online course where they teach people how you can make money with crypto and trading like that. So I'm going to open this window in new window. I'm going to show you. These are all vendors, guys. Look, you can promote any of them. Some vendors, they ask permission before you have to just fill up a little form, and you just have to tell them I want to promote your product, and they will send an confirmation email, and you will be able to promote their product as well. So okay, so the crypto swap, so their gravity is 6.97, so it's not much, the gravity should be 150. I'm going to show you little bit later, and as I said, this video is going to be little bit longer, like maybe it can go maybe 30 minutes as well. So if you put your mind all into it, you can learn and you can do the same thing what I'm doing and what other people doing. So if you want more information about the clickbank.com, you can go to the YouTube and you can find any video there, and you can learn from there as well how people are promoting their products and making 50,000 per month in sales. Yes guys, this is true, some people are making this much money as well from here. Okay, so I open this and they want me to click here. Okay, so this is the vendor, the like they are they are offering their course. You can make money from here. Okay, so you just have to take some information from here, and they give you affiliate material as well, like how you can promote. So this course, if you go all the way down, there will be an option to pay. So see here, see guys, they are giving off one time, one payment off. So they are giving this program for 1497, and then 97 for a month. Whoever person come to you and he wants to learn about crypto swap, and you can give them this link to them, and they once they pay, you will get commission out of it, and you will get $815 if someone pays a 1497. Okay guys, so simply what you have to do, you just have to come here, promote. Okay, so this one they are asking, if you approved, you will receive your hope link by email. So I have to email them and tell them I want to promote your products. Okay, so let's jump on the other product if they are not giving us permission at the moment. So forex trendy, so there's another one. Okay, we can check this. So they are like about saying about forex, and there should be a payment option as well, as you guys can see, add to cart, and there, so someone will pay this much and you will get like $200 for like a commission. So they are giving you commission as well guys. Okay, so let's delete this. Let's jump into the health section. Okay, health and fitness. So there should be a, like, if you see on the top, you can change over here rank, conversion, initial conversion, and gravity. I want you to do gravity. So gravity is very important. So if you see the top product, don't go for that, because it's already flooded with so many websites, so many social media, maybe so many people is already promoting this product. So you have to come down at least number fifth or sixth. So let's go 1 2 3 4 5. So this can be good. This gravity here over here is 218. So I would suggest go with the gravity 150, in between 150 to 200, or even 130 is okay. So let's go dentitox, what it is. Okay, this is related to the herbs, like the herbal. So this is like I call dentitox pro, and how to promote it. So the main part comes how to promote. Okay, so if you go on your Facebook, you will find your groups here. Okay, so you have to search here related to your product, health and fitness. Okay, health and fitness groups. So what you do here, you join as many as groups you can, and so you have to write material. So they given you affiliate page over here. You have to open this one, and this is the promotional stuff you can use to promote your product in that groups. Even You also can make a Instagram account related to this, Facebook account related to this, and TikTok account related to this, and YouTube as well. You can use as many as social media accounts to promote this. So once you click on promote, you will be able to like I remember I told you to make a username. There will be you have an account, so you have to write your the nickname here. You that's it. You have to click on the generate hope link, and this is your hope link. Okay, what happened with this link? Once someone click on this link, he will have the same page, but when he will pay or they pay, you will get a commission out of it. Okay, so the commission they are paying $105. If one person able to purchase your product from any link, so you will receive $105. That's the secret, guys. So this is how you're gonna get paid. That's how you're going to get paid. So more you spread your link, more you get your chance to get the commission out of it. So that's all, guys. So that's all you have to do. Go in the groups, and if you are doing with the crypto one, you can choose any niche. If you choose crypto, CRYPTO, cryptocurrency for beginners, that's a very good platform. Even if you put your link over here, like, so many people gonna watch. So as you can see, Navjot Malik, cryptocurrency for beginners. So this was my post. I posted this few on 10th of February, and as someone not replied at the moment because I don't know, they didn't see it yet. So but there are many more groups, and you can join them. See, I have joined some couple of groups. And also, what you have to do, you have to come to the Google Docs. Make sure you are saving your links over here, and like the hope links you have to save somewhere safe, so you can like spread here and there on your, even you can put on your YouTube and Instagram, and you can make videos as well. I will show you as well how to make a promotional video on Canva, and that's very easy. Even you can do on your phone and laptop. That's so easy. So I hope you understand, guys, this video, as I explained everything about this. So you can find any niche over here, and like you want to go to green products. See, every vendor is giving you commission out of it. So that's so easy. So thank you, guys, for staying with me and watching this video. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.